channel. So glad you guys could join me today. We are going to restyle the coffee table in my living room from farmhouse decor over to like a modern farmhouse boho type look. So I went shopping last week and I showed you guys the video of some of the things I found at Home Goods and Hobby Lobby. So I decided, a while ago I kind of needed a change. So I waited till they had a really good sale. Then I grabbed some things that I thought I could use and kind of pieced together. And then one or two other things I already had. So that was really helpful. Because I try not to spend a lot of money and I try not to buy anything if it's not on sale or I have a coupon for it or something like that. I try to be very kind of thrifty when it comes to wanting to restyle things. I did go to Goodwill, but I didn't find anything that kind of went along with the style I wanted to kind of incorporate into our home. It is very farmhousey, but I don't know if that's a word. Is that a word? Farmhousey? Very farmhouse decor, but I really like some elements of the modern farmhouse. I like some boho elements, and I've been watching other YouTubers and on Instagram and just trying to gather ideas for what would best suit me. And I noticed that a lot of people are just kind of incorporating antiques and with modern pieces and just all kinds of things. So I was like, I had an idea in my head of what I wanted to do. I was just looking for those certain elements to get me there. So Hobby Lobby had a great sale, and so I grabbed some stuff right away. And Home Goods, as you know, always, it's pretty well priced anyway. If you can find something on clearance at Home Goods, it's even better. So I'm gonna... Okay guys, so this is how I'm going to do our coffee table this time. So I just cleaned everything off and I kept this little riser that I got at Hobby Lobby with the candle, which is the Better Homes and Gardens Red Lava and Citrus, which smells a lot like the Blue Capri candle. And I just put some beads around it, and I just have our remouler just like kind of tucked in over there. But that's gonna stay there because we do use that all the time, and I love the candle with the riser and the beads. And there's Gibson, he always has to be in the videos. But so that's gonna stay there. And then this is the wooden, actually it's a cutting board that I got at Home Goods that was in my last haul that I showed you. Excuse me. So I decided I was going to use this as the base for my styling tray, if you want to call it that. And I wanted to go with more of a kind of modern farmhouse boho kind of look. I wanted to do something a little bit different than the picture that I just showed you, which was extremely farmhouse. So I wanted to just kind of up a little bit and just change a little bit. So I went with this instead, and I love this so much, and it's so heavy and so beautiful, and it was only, I think, $14. Excuse me. So this is what the base is going to be. Okay, so first things first, I was going to put one big item on it. So I'm going to add, and this I also got from Hobby Lobby. I got it on sale. And what I did was I just put some greenery that I also got at Hobby Lobby. And I wasn't sure if I was going to get like some eucalyptus that kind of went out a little bit, or I was just going to do something that draped. And I went ahead and did the draping. And I might change it up again at some point in time, but for now I was just going to leave that. So we're going to leave that right there at the end. And I like the way that it kind of just drapes to the bottom of the table. So I was going to leave that. And then the next item I have is I got this little like basket with a lid that I got at IKEA. I don't know, maybe like 2 years ago. And I just kind of saved it because I didn't know what I was going to use it for or when I was going to use it. I just knew that I wanted to have it. So inside there, I just put our coasters. So our coasters are just, they're like a marble ones. And I think I got these ones from Amazon. But they're like pink and like a peach and a mauve. And that's where we keep our coasters now, so they're not out.
and I just kind of kept the lid. It was very much, this is very much like a boho kind of piece. And I definitely wanted like modern farmhouse boho. It was kind of like the look I was going for, which I just kind of like made up. I don't even know if that's a real thing or not. So we have that. And then also from Amazon, I got before were these gold candlesticks, and it comes in a set of 3. So I just used the middle size in here. I wanted something that kind of came up a little bit. So I decided I would use that. And then in true Tina fashion, I always have beads. I love beads. I love beads on everything. So I just kind of have these farmhouse beads. And I think I got these at Amazon too. Either Amazon or Hobby Lobby, I'm not really sure. But I have that. And like I said, just a quick little styling just to change it up a little bit. And I also have another little candle that I actually got at Aldi's yesterday, and I thought it was just so pretty, and it comes in this it's like a pink glass, and it just smells it smells like fresh linen almost, I guess you could call it. And I was just gonna leave that here on the side. I did have it over here, but I thought it was too much for the tray, so I just wanted to keep it there. We do light candles a lot in the evening. I think it just looks so pretty. So this is the finished product. And like I said, I was just going for that kind of modern farmhouse with a hint of boho kind of thing. And I might, like, you know, tweak this a little bit more as we live with it for a while. But very simple. Everything was affordable. Like I said, that was originally $30 and I paid $7 for it. So I was really happy about it, and I grabbed it as soon as I could. And this is the finished product. So I just wanted to show you guys some simple ways that you can style trays, or in this case, a cutting board, anything that you can find that's on sale, or maybe even that you have in your house. You can just kind of take things and move them around and just kind of create your own little vignettes with things you have or things that you found on sale. And here is the finished product. Very easy, very simple, yet very beautiful. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.
Everything, and I hope you liked my video and liked the style I was going for. I think I really accomplished it well, so I'm really excited about it. And I love sitting there at night and with a few candles, and it's very romantic and it's very pretty, and it soothes my soul. So that's how you know you get it right. If it soothes your soul, brings you joy, or as Marie Kondo would say, sparks joy, then you know you did it right, and you know it means something to you. So like I said, leave me a comment below with some things that maybe you're incorporating or would like ideas for future videos from me, because I just love doing this. So I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at treasuresbytina28. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.